for and then some about Tom Montin, so they say. A dear branch be a friend mike2 a day in Sambia Babatum Monte, so at the far Agradaa, and as of 4 Akanina. Kase sans of 4 Macani Agradaa Mutton Yesu Mojano, Omunina at the crona, na Zamfon Qua, and I just want to go my gun and Mohan say, na brand some beton Monte to say any munchimo etienne.
You are Becotra Agradaa and even any other pastor. Say, oh, Kakoto oil. No more dear boo. Agradaa upon your baby to oil. Agradaa oil. A comfort time, or come Agradaa come grab a woman. Agradaa oil, now so Becoto, or say oil, no abrochira, $100. Abroche for no, many a break because Magdika can say, oh, abrochira. And then we break our dream, a crowd bag and a crowd 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 20 years ago, crowd nim. Ni were free sending a gun at any near my question. So, what is answer now when him so, mamma also a sacra into a ton oil now, a bear juma. So, obey Agradaa oil did ya, and me true for say. Also, so got to anointing oil be an a bosom pie, the bear juma. Tienio, so, obey Agradaa oil, a dear. Also, so young upon to meet you, you can pray over the anointing oil that you buy, and God will send his angels to you to perform that miracles you are looking forward to receiving. Into Trehon Castle Kakoto Agradaa oil. Or say, or who are bet Pesi Cabra. Tienio, Sigagari Kwan, so Messi Agradaa, the Sika no one your doors, but or no, she doesn't give any small money chance. We are no Makasa Semnada. Say Agradaa, Sigagari town will be the 1 city called 100 cities or 1.5 billion or what to me Jessica. In Agradaa Hono or Sika. But when you say,
subscribe to Ghana Update for latest news.
Agradaa Jumadenda, if you so see so. Agradaa Jumadenda, if you say Osiso. It didn't quite on now, so now say, obey you that romantic words to convince you. Original property, so now the preaching impa enyeno. And send you a becano, if you are not careful, she will ruin you. It is so yet careful. Maybe me too fooling in a butcher for no, or the Bamosu was saying. Open anointing oil in Ibia and Yesu møgya kono. $100 or the bemano. When you $100 in Ibia or come back to me as a fast a massage to get other more money from you. Unishe best ma wani naho pa. Ma wani enaho. Agradaa ni na Ewurade Yankopon. Oh my God. Say Agradaa na ena no me hwe ni video no de nsa to obi so about deliverance. Okay, of course. Obetumi nya tumi fufuro bi obetumi di ayesa ade no. But in Ewurade. Don't sit there to tell me say I am not God. I am not God and that I cannot judge. I'm not judging. Me you are me here thing. Enti sade ne nyanti e ni panti hu ana. Me say obiara betumi abompa ya ma ho ato. Obiara betumi ato anointing oil ma ho ato wa. Osusu nyame ba no. You can buy any anointing oil, pray over it, and use it for what you want God to do for you. You can just pick water. They say ya make us say ya. Nyame on konkron ebetumi afa me so. Ama maka cho se kofa nsuo. Nsuo na wo fa no. Nya gidie wa Awurade mu. Se hu nsuo ne se eye nyame on konkron møgya. Ebre a wonum nsuo ya. Fibroid mpo na da oyema. Nyame tumi mu emfiri ho. Nyame be mana ya adwuma. Nyame betumi amana ya adwuma. Enti se you believe any other anointing oil. Now bekoto bi afiri Agradaa ho. Start praying over oil that you have bought. And God is going to work miracles on you. Forget about Agradaa oil. Or fuck when be so bunkrofo. Me pache wo. Oboni ni die kwaso. With all due respect, I see you to be a very disciplined person. I see you to be a lady. I see you to be a gentleman. I see you as somebody who thinks. I see you to be somebody who is more intelligent. And that you will not be moved by any romantic words from Agradaa. You will not be moved by any romantic words from any other quack pastor. Also, my dream here, Juma. They say I will sika ho ayedin. Enti amanfo nso pekwan boni bi e fa so amudi nkofo sika. Me to for sa kwan we say to for say. Wo a wotie me a wo hwe me bia no. Find something down or write something down. O phone sumpo na ne be ya, o sika obaje wo no atwere ato ho. Ba bia wo hia de picture ne picture. You say no bia ye citizen vigilante, citizen journalist. We share obi no ne transaction a phone e kura wo no. One of the things it does and you say would be pictures, would be recordings. Obi a dealings be anya say be a record it just to blackmail the person. No, that is not what I'm talking about. When you are doing a transaction with somebody in power, ususu say bia you haven't gotten a written down statement or document, you can just take the picture of the person secretly. No channel. Or yeah, ready so be who channel. Maybe most of the transactions I do, met me any part, you bet me for many, but a bad thing. A family so me I mistake, makama no atum, but a bad thing. Inti will be a transaction, which will be say or say in the internet so don't give that person the chance. Will be so by a broaching cratama. No, will be so by a broaching cratama now for your Jew sika. Let the person find a guarantor, a witness. Find your witness, get a witness from the person. So this kind man on any man 1 CD, or so by say the amount. And on a banner say o failure, or take action against the person very easy because you have other evidences to prove you say yes, the person took money. And then nipa trimayedin. Nipa do na trimayedin. Be very careful when you do transactions with people. Be very careful. Now you're more careful. No?
Yeah, fellow Ghanaians, your friend Firés Anan, the doubting Thomas. Me wo any jesem sunku bi e de brewo. Di obi a pene daachi bia no, eno ho adwuma e na oye. Se o pese wo YouTube daachi, anase wo social media handles no daachi, e ye perfect dia, then e baby back. Ozitech, oho e na betumi aboa wo ama wetumi advance. Na me catch you say Ozitech ombeboa ama u social media handles ni na akoso they will boost it for you. Eye Facebook ombebusto ama Twitter ombebusto ama TikTok ombebusto ama Instagram ombebusto ama na de wo mu kura ne say YouTube no hwe eba no subscribers ombebusto ama eba no followers ombebusto ama eba no watch hours and also boost ama yes a drop baby I wanna know na so obi san subscriber e sign add up we na opede kaya moto manaze dey na me catch us omumpe so making money e social media handles no say for YouTube or social bia social media handles na dey me say Ozitech and the beboa ama will making money Emma wo nyambo every month bia you make money I bet me a sustain you abrabonum ombema wenya from 0 viewers to a million we now pede kaya moto mbium se wo pe Ozitech echira kwan a enye rira kwan kra ma me fa number no ntubia se de be ya betuma from na wo pese wo kosua anase wo pese wo boost to social media handles na oni omo bedi bia 0598 697619. Me repeat number the amount 0598 697619. Ozitech na or say you make money every month.
Yakwaji nsem nchiremu abaye hu sa brante ne abriye pa na asem ekofa brante na se kwotwetwe abrante nsem ba ye nyina ne se yan nim se nanum ina Agradaa de beto social media na so de beto monte so se eye ade onu akasa Agradaa no oton Yesu møgya pa emu odin Yesu møgya e chen eye yankase papa prophet adum che duade reverend obofo che so onu kwa Yesu møgya na eye papa enti yambra meto won ho eno na akwakotwetwe nsem nyina ba ya abrante ye friend mike2 edi na no ba beto sansem yi mu bi na ebusia fa ma Ghana fododo na ekase Ghana hanu muse panti da ben na hanu muse ebetwo ebi mo so ka say Mike na wo da ben na wo ba ya ba ka Agradaa say Agradaa wan jama wo nsuro ni wo hu adwentrend de dodo na anya wa hanu muse fa wo de to comment section wo se na be ya metumi akenkan ede amount kaisi social media handles ni nyana ya attention TV nti wo ba ho modi asa be like wa share na wa comment e wo chese ye platform ni so nyina ye videos ni nyina comment wo ho di channel no ho adanse afachira afoforo wo yes aso na Awurade ehura aya ade o hye ma bonta bom samra ne fam ahema echa